Hey guys, welcome back to a channel. Today we're going to be opening
Mini brands, mini, fill the fridge.
and we got 3 capsules with them. So yeah, let's start opening them. Okay. And let's some more. Okay, we're going to cut this whole entire thing opening it because that's going to take a really long time. So hold on. Oh my Legos. It has another layer.
It's taking like a really long time to open it. It's really hard. But the locations you can find it is Target.
And only Target.
Yeah.
It's looking so cute.
It's very vintage.
Yeah, kind of vintage.
It's so vintage.
Wait, it's actually okay.
Wait, we have to eat that one. Does it have the batteries?
I don't think the batteries are in here.
Oh. Well, it does light up inside.
Okay, so let's see. Let me fix the camera. Hold on. There we go. Set these aside for now. Oh, wait, oops, fridge first.
Oh, it does light up. It's already
Ooh.
on.
That's a UV light, and this is just a normal light. All that stuff just came running out. Ooh,
Wait, it's magnetized.
that's cool. Check this out. So,
I'll open the bottom.
wait, not yet, not yet. Well, this is what it looks like, and the light is up
It's
here.
very clean.
And to turn the UV light on, it's this button right here. Hope you guys can see that. It's cute.
Open the bottom.
That's cute. More stuff in the drawers. Comes with mini drawers. That's really
I
cute.
really don't want the rare one.
Why?
I don't know. Okay, so it comes with 4 bags, and I'm going to be opening these 2.
Now I'm gonna be opening this too.
Okay.
I
That was
think-
it. We got the rare.
I think in like this one, there's the shelves to put inside here.
Okay.
Wait, here's the collector's guide. So see which one
I
we've
don't know how
got.
to go there.
Oh. Wow. Oh, we got this one. I don't even know what it's called. But this is what it looks like once we make it, which will be in a different video.
Okay.
Oh, the orange peels right here.
So we got the rare one. Here's the mixture. Bless me. And then this is little plate cover with the plate. So cute. And then
it also came with these oranges.
these 2.
Mm-hmm.
Flappers. Okay.
Oh, we got Olipop.
We got Olipop, 2 Olipops, a Pizza Hut,
What is this? Mike's Hot Honey.
Pizza Hut. The pizza can come out. Where's the other piece? Oh my god.
We don't know how to pronounce this, but we got this.
I think it's
Which is
ramen.
really cute.
How do you... Wait. I forgot to talk about this because I didn't see it.
So this is all the stuff we got. Okay,
I want to start making this.
so here are the 2 bags that I'm going to open now. Bag number 1, small one first. Oh, these bags are hard to open. Oh, I got a magnet. I forgot to say that this fridge has magnets to stick. So I got an ice scooper. I got another Olipop. We got another Olipop.
Did we get a 2? We did not get a 2.
Yeah, I think yours is root beer and vintage cola. See, I was right. This one has the shells and stuff in it. Since this is like really short, I think we're just gonna open 1 capsule in this video. I guess next video.